Welcome to SafeSlide University. My name is Dale Cooper, and this is part of our basic repair series. And so far in our series, we have talked to you about repairing chips, voids, and gouges, spider cracks, and osmotic blisters. And so when these repairs are done, you might want them to have a top coat. For the chips, voids, and gouges and the osmotic blisters, they're totally fine for the rider to ride over that filler. They're not going to get irritated for it. For the repair process with the spider cracks, because there might be some fiberglass fibers there, it could cause irritation. But for all three of these, maybe you're thinking, hey, we'd like to have a top coat that matches the slide to make it more aesthetically pleasing. And so the reason we tell you how to do those repairs is because of speed of execution. You see this chip, void, or gouge, you see this osmotic blister, and you need to get up and running. So that's a process that you can have done in a half an hour. To apply the top coat, you're going to need a little more time, maybe do some work at night. To apply the top coat, you're going to use either one of two technologies, either gel coat or polysiloxane. Now, we can leave the formula for mixing this in the description, because mixing gel coat is going to be different than polysiloxane, and these are plural component coatings. But to apply it, you simply want to go to Home Depot, Lowe's, or to our shopping cart at SafeSlide and pick yourself up a pre-val. So after you're done mixing it, you put it in the pre-val and you can spray it over that small repair. Now, how do you get a color match? I'm just going to tell you, just reach out to us and we can help facilitate the color match. So this is applying top coat, and hopefully this was useful to you. Thank you for watching us here at SafeSlide University. Thanks again for joining us at SafeSlide University. We're passionate here about developing repair processes and best practices for the industry. If you have any comments or questions or even a suggestion for a future video, reach out to us. We love to collaborate, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks again for joining us here at SafeSlide University.